In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily edit a reel on Facebook after you posting it. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off you need to open up Facebook app, and now I'm gonna quickly upload a reel. To upload a reel, we need to tap at our profile picture to head over to our Facebook profile first. That's where we can find reels. If we tap at that tab, we'll be taken to all our reels on Facebook, and here, by tapping right here, we can create new one. Now I'm just gonna filter all the content from my camera roll just by videos. That's how we can easily find all the videos on our device. Now we just need to pick one, and on that step we can edit our reel, we can overlay some audio, we can apply some effects such as noise reducer, we can add some text over our reel, we can add another effect, stickers, all that stuff. Once we are done with the editing, to continue we just need to hit at next. Then we can describe our reel, we can tag someone, add location, and once we are ready to share that reel, we just need to hit at that button. The video is being uploaded. It can take some time depending on your internet connection and the video file size, so just wait until it's done. And once your reel is uploaded, it will appear right here. And after that, to be able to edit that reel, first off we need to tap on it, then tap right here at these three dots, and here we can easily find Edit Audience. If I tap right here at Edit Audience, I can set who can see that reel. I can switch it from friends to public, or friends accept some specific users. Unfortunately, after publishing, we can only change the privacy settings for our reel, and if you want to edit the video itself, you will have to delete your reel and upload it again. To do that, on your reel, hit at three dots, then tap at delete, then delete again to confirm the deletion, and after that you need to upload reel one more time, and when you have selected a video you will be able to edit it in the editor as I showed earlier. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.